In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create posts in WordPress. WordPress Post Fully Explained. We'll start right inside the WordPress editor. From your dashboard, open the site editor and load the home template so you can see how your post content will appear on your site. This view gives you the full, block-based canvas, which is perfect for building a clean, consistent post layout. First, click the highlighted content area to activate the editor where your post will live. You'll see the familiar block cursor appear. Type into the highlighted field to add your title or opening paragraph. If you're unsure where to start, begin with a clear headline, then follow with a short intro that tells readers what they'll learn. Next, use the highlighted controls to add more content blocks. Click the plus icon to insert paragraphs, headings, images, or lists. When you select a block, its toolbar appears above it. Use those highlighted buttons to format text, add links, adjust alignment, or transform a paragraph into a quote or list. If you need to reorder content, the up and down arrows on the toolbar let you move a block smoothly without breaking your layout. Click the highlighted sidebar toggle to open the settings panel. Here you can fine-tune typography, spacing, and colors for the selected block or for the entire template. Small adjustments to line height and margins can dramatically improve readability. If you add images, use the highlighted media controls to set focal points. Choose crop options, and add alt text for accessibility. Use the highlighted list view to see your post structure at a glance. This is helpful for navigating long posts and selecting nested blocks like groups or columns. If you change your mind, the undo and redo icons are always available, so experiment freely as you refine your design. Now switch to the Design section. Clicking Design shows global style options that keep your posts consistent across the site. Click Widgets to review elements that appear in sidebars or footers, such as recent posts or search. Then click Theme to confirm your theme-level settings and patterns. This ensures your new post matches your site's overall look and feel. When everything looks right, click Save. WordPress will summarize what's being updated, template changes, styles, and content, so you know exactly what's affected. Finally, click Launch to make your changes live. Give the page a quick refresh on the front end and skim your post on both desktop and mobile sizes to confirm spacing and typography are clean. That's it. Your WordPress post is created, styled, saved, and launched. Keep practicing these clicks and tweaks, and you'll build polished posts faster every time.